Hello beautiful people, in today's video we'll be making a crochet hairstyle with no lever. Yes, this is my braid pattern, and with this crochet hairstyle you can style it anyhow you like, a side part, this braid pattern, and yeah, it's so versatile. And yeah, let's quickly grab our crochet hair. I got my crochet hair from Crochet Bundles. I got color 4, color 2, and color 1. I mixed the three together, and this is the color I guts. Yep. And this is my braid pattern. Yeah. Now each step of this hairstyle is very important. Let's count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 braids, and this is how the back look like, right? So grab your crochet hook and let's start work. Now pass your crochet hook through the hair like so. If you want the front to be so natural that you won't do much, this step is very important. Crochet the front like this, like very important. Then grab this tiny hair, grab a tiny hair and pass it through the loop, right? Yeah, grab the hair, close your crochet hook and then pass it like so, and yeah, you have this seated properly. Like very important. This is the first step and it's very important. Can you see how the hairline is now? You don't have to do much after crocheting. Okay, that's the secret. Now we're gonna lock this now so that the hair won't move. Okay, so I went ahead to pass it through the braids again, right? And then pass it again. Just pass it until the hair is locked down so that it won't move again. You get what I mean, right? I think this is a very self explanatory hairstyle. I'll just allow you guys watch through and I will be back. So we're done with the first part, and the next thing to do now is to do the knotless crochets hairstyle. Now to do this, pass your hair through your braids. Okay, pass your hook again underneath and grab one part, making it two, right? Then grab this and lock it. If you do this hair like this, you have a knotless crochet, right? Let's do it again. Grab a tiny bit of the crochet hair, pass your crochet hair, make sure the mouth is locked. Yeah, pass the crochet hook and then grab the hair like so. Grab, pass it again underneath and then grab the hair, right? It's very easy. You have two loop, then grab one and then lock it like so. You have a knotless crochet. Can you see that? Yeah, it's that simple. You just do it the side you want to pass. You want the center to be showing, like you just do it the front part. For the back part, you just do a normal crochet, but for the side, for the front side, you should do a knotless crochet on it to get I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, front part, your entire hairline, front hairline, you crochet it like this. The back part, you do it normal crochet braids, and you're done with your crochet hairstyle. I don't want this video to be much, and yeah, can you see I'm not doing much again? I'm not teasing it much, just tease it a bit and you have yourself a natural looking crochet hairstyle. Like the hairlines, I went ahead to apply a little bit of gel and guys, can you see that? I didn't even tease it much because if you tease your crochet hair much, of course when you go out and bruise the hair, you'll be having a lot of hair flyaways, which I don't like, right? So that's why I like crocheting it this way, and then you have a beautiful crochet hairstyle. Guys, how do you see this hairstyle, right? Can you see? Can you see how natural it's looking? Is like the crochet hair is rooted in my skull. Can you see that? I love the final look anyway. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Can you see that? It came out looking beautiful, and yeah, you can style it anyhow you like. Yeah, I decided to give it a little bit of twist in the front. Go ahead and do your styling anyhow you want. You can style it side part, braid, like it's a fast, like it's just like you wearing your hair. When you wear your hair, you can style it anyhow you like. So yeah, I went ahead to give it a style, right? And this is how it turned up. I really love the outcome of the hair. If you want to get crochet bundles, you can get it from crochet underscore bundles on Instagram, or you send me a DM. Yeah, to get yours. You can style it as a side pattern. I love, 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 love this hairstyle. It's so versatile, and I really enjoy making it.